In a moment, I'm going to be showing you the cheapest, in my opinion, the cheapest C of O verifiable registered land in Enugu in a very fantastic position and has all the development around it. Hello, my name is Anozie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new on this channel, welcome. Please hit the like button, the subscribe button. I am your favorite real estate consultant right here in Enugu State. My goal is to bring you this type of real estate deals right here in Enugu, and this is one of them. Now, I came for inspection with the client representative, and I thought to just bring this offer that is going away very soon. This is Eastern Homes, and Eastern Homes is getting sold out very soon. This is the cheapest C of O land I have seen in Enugu. I'm driving out from Eastern Homes, and I thought to just bring you along to show you the landmarks and everything happening here. Eastern Homes is built and developed by a company called Interbond Consults. Right here in Eastern Homes, a plot of land goes for just 1.2 million naira right now. You can see the poles. Yes, that's because there's light very close to Eastern Homes, like there's electricity very close here, and so they're trying to draw the light from where the electricity ends up to Eastern Homes. Some major landmarks around here are the Upper Room Ministry, which is just the 2 minutes drive from the Eastern Homes, less than 2 minutes drive actually. Then the International Goodluck Jonathan Market, which is fast developing, is about 2 minutes drive from Eastern Homes, and just about 3 minutes away from Eastern Homes is Caritas University. Now enjoy this ride even as I point you to the major landmarks within this environment. Eastern Homes currently is almost sold out. Yes, you heard that right. It's almost sold out. So I need you to key in on this offer, because this is one of the most profitable estates I have seen in Enugu, because the estate is too affordable, is quite cheap for its value. Okay, I'm sorry I'm using the word cheap, but that is what it is. Now this is Upper Room Ministries to my right. Okay, you can see the signboard up on the entrance. Upper Room Ministries, one of the biggest Catholic ministries right here in Enugu. Okay, you can see Upper Room Ministry. Right here in Upper Room, there's a staff quarters, a functional organization. There's a staff quarters, there's everything. You can see opposite Upper Room too, there are buildings. People live around here literally, and this is just about 1 minute drive from Eastern Homes. At 1.2 million, Eastern Homes is super affordable. Again, the property has a C of O 500 square meters. There is water right there in Eastern Homes, because it's very close to a stream, and so the management intend to put a water treatment plant to channel water to the estate. Besides, you can drill a borehole and find water at Eastern Homes. Now this is the new Goodluck Jonathan Market, International Market, springing up super fast right here, about 2 minutes drive away from Eastern Homes. And just after the market, which is to my right, you will see the tarred road. As you can see, the market's name, Goodluck Jonathan Central Market. Left, this tarred road left leads to Godfrey Okoye University, their permanent site. You can see the tarred road. Tarred road is just about 2 minutes away from Eastern Homes, and the road is motorable, the soil is stable, it's 100% dry, and there are a couple of estates that are coming up within this environment. So trust me, Eastern Homes is one of the most profitable real estate investments you're going to make in this environment. You can see the signboard, Godfrey University leads down there, and just a few minutes is Caritas University. After Caritas University, down the road you will hit the airport. That's Oriemene. From there to the airport, you can see this is Caritas University, one of the best private universities in Enugu. So go ahead and call me now on 080967376668. Let us secure your plots before it runs out. There are less than 10 plots available right now at Eastern Homes. So go ahead and call me. You can buy out the 10 plots. I can guarantee you a minimum of 30% ROI before March of 2022 rather. So go ahead and call me now and let us transact. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you've not subscribed, and let us show you these type of real estate deals right here in Enugu. Enjoy a good day. Bye for now.